This is deck 6. Stateroom 6076. Ocean view with a porthole window view. Comes with extra pillows in the closet, lots of hangers, drawers, 4 drawers, lots of hanger space, pillows, lots of closet space there, life jacket, safe, more drawers below, television, you have the 2 lights, the porthole window, and the bed. Then there's also another bed here that comes down, so there's lots of space in this room. And you can close this door, and you can open this up and let this down if you have extra guests staying in the room. If you have 3 guests or 2 guests sleeping in separate beds. Then there's also the desk area here with a nice mirror. Bathroom, lots of towels, cabinet space, 3 cabinet spaces below, full-length mirror. This will come in very handy to have a nice full-length mirror, and there's actually enough space to where you can stand in front of it and get a view of yourself. Then shower. This is the bathroom.